Iyom, the patroness, died at the age of 92, a reason why her children doled out resources to give her a befitting burial. Her burial rites started with burial mass on the eve of the burial day proper, where parishioners of St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Enugwu-Ukwu, converged on the residence of the deceased. On the burial day proper, her requiem mass was celebrated at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Enugwu-Ukwu, officiated by the Catholic Bishop of Oka Diocese, Most Reverend Paulina Okafor, together with hosts of other priests.
And I think God made a lot of time. 1892, although Egypt for maybe 40 or 45 or 60.
Her body was later interred at her husband's compound at Ire village, Enugwu-Ukwu. That over, condolence visits by family members featured as usual according to the Igbo rites and tradition. The second son of the deceased, Chief Michael Okafor, being the international patron of the People's Club of Nigeria worldwide, the presence of members of the club was not hidden as they reminded the people what the People's Club of old is like.
Prayer for the buried woman is that the Lord will receive her body, her soul in perfect peace. For the family, that they'll continue to uphold the legacy of their father, Joseph Okafor, Ibonze, na Enugwu-Ukwu, and the one left behind by their mother, patroness Paulina Okafor.
Blessed with 7 children, 2 sons and 5 daughters, her children took turn to eulogize their late mother.
Mom is always mom. Whether they die at the age of 100 or 1 million, we still want them to live longer. But the good news is that my mom lived a wonderful life. She lived a fulfilled life. She wasn't sick, just old age. Mama was a wonderful, wonderful mom that any individual can hope to have.
My mother, at the age of 92, never lacked a damn thing. She lived a good life. She touched a lot of life, you know. I was overwhelmed by the testimony from people from all walks of life, you know, people that she has touched their life, you know, young couple to, you know, couples that have lived close together for over 50 years. She's always counseling. I can't challenge God for recalling her home at this age of 92. That's why we called it triumphant exit.
Amu abu Chinwoke Okafor nwa ọdụdụ nwa patroness Paulina Enugwu-Ukwu Iyom nwanyị bụ efi ni nwana ada onye ọma nwanne m obi abaka m obi na-asọ m ka mmanụ anwụ n'ihi na m matara na ịnọ 90 adịrọkwa izi. My mother lived a fulfilled life. She accomplished her mission on earth. You know, she's a role model, a standard mother. You know, so caring, so loving. In the next world to come, I still have her as my mom. In spite of all odds, God is always her defender. Yeah, the quality is to be serviceable, to care for another person, working at tiptoe of expectation for another person. Then at the same time, being generous, don't be stingy. Then live a good life. A good life, a standard and a role model life.
A na-eme n'ụbọchị tata bụ na a na-etinye nne m etinyere nne m naanị n'ụbọchị tata kwanyelie ugwu nke ikpeazụ mama m bile ndụ ọfụma o bili ndụ ọfụma agụwa ihe nlakịrị chi ya eji chi ya abụ n'ife ya nwa mere anyị na ụmụ ya niile na ọrụ sọmụnwa ọ pụchasịala anyị n'anya fụ na onye awụ nagụrụ akwụkwọ.
These are some of late Nwanyi Igboefi's grandchildren.
Iyom Nwanyi Igboefi is a wonderful grandmother. He tries as much as she can to coordinate her children and even grandchildren. She is a wonderful woman.
Grandma, in fact, she's a very nice woman. I'm covered about her, you know, or somebody that you would like to know. And she lived a fulfilled life. Very nice and great person.
It's Mrs. Paulina Okafor came. She saw and she conquered. No wonder her children labeled her death triumphant exit. Mama J. Jegi Nkoma from Ire village in Enugwu-Ukwu, Njikoka local government area. I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS Insider News.